This is unit 761, our 1j.1 floor plan. Right off the entry, you walk into the kitchen area. Nice big island in the middle. Plenty of cabinets that go around for storage. This door is the washer dryer. Standard size, stack to save room. Dishwasher and a little extra storage on this side of the island, which leads into the living dining area. So plenty of space in here. Nice big windows so you get plenty of natural light. Windows fully open so you can get plenty of fresh air. Plenty of balcony space. This unit is west facing, overlooks the pool. You can see the mountains, and then it's going to get plenty of sunlight in the afternoon. These doors lead into the coat closet, so plenty of space in here for storage, which leads into the bathroom. So double sink, plenty of counter space, plenty of storage. Nice big stand-up shower. And then built-in cubbies on the other side of the toilet there. Nice big bedroom with overhead light ceiling fan. Nice big windows so you get plenty of natural light. Leading into the walk-in closet, which has storage all the way around. For more information, please visit the website at livetrivista.com.